Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put Freon in a 2011 Buick Regal. Start by parking on level ground and turning the engine on with a /C max to circulate refrigerant. Identify the low side service port near the compressor and attach a manifold gauge set to read pressure. If pressure is low, follow manufacturer safety steps, evacuate if needed, then add R134A slowly while monitoring pressure and temperature. Prepare all tools before starting to prevent interruptions and leaks during the recharge process. Use a manifold gauge set, and a refrigerant can tap with a scale to measure how much R134A you add. Wear gloves and eye protection, and ensure you have adequate ventilation. Check the owner's manual for the factory refrigerant charge and target pressures, and verify the low side port location, so you can connect quickly and safely. Begin by connecting the gauge set to the low side port with the engine and a /C running at max cool. Open the CAN valve and add R134A in short bursts while watching pressure climb to the manufacturer recommended range. Pause frequently to let the system stabilize and measure cabin vent temperature. Aim for steady cooling and correct pressure. If pressures climb too high or temperatures stop improving, stop and seek a professional diagnosis to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.